What if I told you that 2 hours a day could change your life forever? If you've been craving more family vacations, more time with your loved ones, and less time working, then the Legacy Builder program is your golden ticket. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. The Legacy Builder program is a step-by-step blueprint to financial freedom designed for stay-at-home parents just like you. With high $900 daily commission payouts and an incredibly supportive community, you'll never feel alone on this journey. We've reopened the Legacy Builder promotion, and for a limited time you can snag an extra $2,500 bonus. Yes, you heard that right. Even if you're a complete newbie, you can start earning $900, $600, $300, and $100 commissions that are paid daily. It's that simple. All you need to do is set up your online business, post ads and content on free social websites, and watch the human visitors flock to your webpage. Imagine the freedom to work from anywhere, the flexibility to spend quality time with your family, and the peace of mind knowing you're building a legacy for your loved ones. So, what are you waiting for? Join the Legacy Builder program today and start living the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the legacy you leave behind. Ready to change your life? Click the link below and let's get started.